Jeff Keenan here with the new NOCO Boost X. Now the NOCO Boost X, you can use up to a 6.5 liter gas or 4 liter diesel, and it also can come in handy with electric vehicles. Out of the box, you get the unit, you get the jumper cable attachment, and you get a USB-A to USB-C cable, as well as a carrying pouch. The big new feature about the Boost X is it supports USB-C power delivery up to 60 watts. You can recharge this in less than an hour with the right power supply. I'll put a link to the one I'm using. You can also recharge this from any USB-A source. It'll just take longer. When it's fast charging, you'll see this icon illuminate. It'll also fast charge USB-C devices like the iPhone 15. Make sure to turn the unit on before trying to charge a device, or it will actually take the power out of the device. And this also has a really nice dual LED flashlight with multifunction. Let's hook it up to this beautiful C8 Corvette and see how it works. Okay, first you attach it to the battery, positive, positive, negative to negative, then turn the unit on and you'll see the LEDs chasing if it's hooked up correctly. This will give you 60 seconds of the jump start function and then the unit will shut off. You can turn it on again to try another session. Now this has safe technology, so it's going to try to detect voltage on the battery. If it doesn't, it's not going to start up in the normal fashion. Now, if your battery is completely stone dead, you can use the override function. Make sure it's hooked up correctly because it's not going to detect if you have it hooked up backwards using it this way. Hold the override button for 3 seconds to enable. There you go. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos about Wi-Fi and tech products.